Hello dear friends, when vibration is not working on your Realme phone, you can run a test. This test will confirm the problem occurring with the device. A secret Realme vibration test code works in this regard. Using this, you can run the test and check the exact problem with the vibration. Here is how to use Realme vibration test code and check the problem in your phone. Tap on phone icon, tap on dialer icon, then type *899#. You have entered the engineer mode. Select manual test. From the menus, tap on device debugging. Check the box for vibration test. See if your phone is vibrating perfectly. Now tap on this option. You see a list of 5 settings. Tap on the first one. Tap on Start. Your phone should pass this test. Go to back screen. Then tap on Long Period Test. These options will take longer for checking. If you want, check one by one. Back to the previous screen and tap on One Shot Test. Tap on Start. See if the vibration is working perfectly. Again back to the previous screen. Now tap on Impedance. Tap on Start. You should see Pass with a code. If you are an expert, you can run RAM test. In case you face any problems with the test results, then you can visit Service Center of Realme. Thanks for watching the video friends. Please subscribe the channel.